another day, as you can see, and I'm on the top. Last braid. Last mother. Okay, y'all, so it's like I did my hair on probably like Friday. Yeah, Friday. And it is Monday. This is the turnout. Y'all, I left my edges out. I don't know how to do edges, so don't come for your girl. But I'm gonna learn, and they don't look too bad, so I'm not mad at it. I just wanted to show y'all the hair that I use. I actually ordered the hair off of Amazon, and I got 8 packs of pre-stretched braided hair for $17, and it was a 1B, and that's my usual color that I get. Yeah, I was trying this hair out for the first time, and I never got it before, so I didn't want to get no color or anything. But next time I'm gonna get my red that I like. So, but yeah, this hair was not bad at all. The only thing I would say is it could be me, but it tangled a lot. This is a little piece that I had left. It's not bad hair, y'all. I mean, it's worth the price. I got 8 packs, and for this style, I used 4 of the 8 packs. So I still got 4 packs of braided hair left, and I could do a lot with that. So yeah, I'm glad. So I highly recommend y'all use this hair tie. I'm sorry for the glare, y'all, but I wear glasses. But yeah, so yeah, but I highly recommend this hair. Amazing. I think it was 20 inches, but yeah, it's an 8 pack pre-stretched 1B. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is what I use. Maybe I could take one out and show y'all. This is how they come. They're individually wrapped. Y'all can see. And it was soft. I mean, I had no issue with it, except that it knotted up a lot when I was braiding it, like to the end. But I mean, you could prevent that. I was rushing kind of. Because these braids took me like 2 days. What else did I use? Of course, I used my rat tail. I got this from the hair store, Jam. I got this off Amazon too. Y'all almost used the whole damn thing. But I got this off Amazon too. It was like $2.99 on Amazon. And of course, handy dandy edge brush. But yeah, that's it. Ooh, Aria's up. But thank y'all for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we got more coming for y'all.